I will conclude my speech, and I thank government of Goa who has organized this uh, convention, and Goan Cultural Association who has associated with this and made this convention a success, and given me opportunity to say a few words before you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Advocate Kamath. Now we have a very prominent personality, and he happens to be also a good friend of mine, who is going to address this gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Aldrin Menezes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Sunny. First of all, a very warm welcome to the official delegates who are visiting here, Kuwait. It's a great pleasure to see you here. And in fact, it's my first convention to be associated with. And in fact, when Carmo called me up and said, you know, Aldrin, we are doing something like this, I couldn't resist the offer because anything which represents Goa is very close to my heart. And that really made me come forward and say, if I could share a few of my views at least what my company tells me I'm good at. So I want to share a few views for the Goan youth. I was also a Goan, very much Goan, living here for the last over a decade, almost 15 years. Representing a very large company, and I head a brand called Baskin Robbins. I'm sure most of you know the brand. Yeah, that's right. And it's about $25 million project which I head here in Kuwait. And I would like to share exactly how my inspiration as a Goan youth led me to where I am today. Having said that, what has been the real success of me growing into the system has been myself being diligent, committed into the professional work I have qualified before back in Goa. Sometimes I meet a lot of people back here in Kuwait and they say, you're from Goa and what's your qualification? And I say, why? No, usually you need to be outside Goa to get better qualified. And I tell them, never. I don't think so. I reject that statement. I started in school in Don Bosco. From there, I did my college at the MPAs, and then immediately I was in the management for 2 years in Bamoli. So those were my strengths back in Goa. Like I said, I had a very large concept here in Kuwait, and I would like to take this forward back to the Goan youth, who sometimes are reluctant to come forward because we have all the plus points. I must tell you, in any business format, wherever you are, when you sit across the table in doing business, people see you at your manners, and that's what we are good at. So Goans have that basic concept, which is manners. And I don't want to disrespect the other states within India, but I'm saying what we are good at. So I would like to encourage the youth because we have a lot of positive thinking in what we do. And when you speak about positive thinking, it means you can really be focused when you start your job. I request parents also who are here to talk to their children. That's what my parents did when I was young. They told me, the world is not going to be very polite to you. It's going to be very rough ahead. So you need to be already violent in the way you think of growing, not in striking or killing. So you have to be street smart. And when you say street smart, you have to know exactly what the other side of the table would be wanting you to do. so you can maneuver away and get your work done. My success has been the challenge in my respective field, which I had as a brand manager, has been the growth. I have never looked back when it comes to a business opportunity. I ensure, based on my company's guidelines, I take it forward. It has been a great challenge for me within my own company to rise. I did not lay back. I took every stride as positive. That's what I said earlier. We have to be positive-minded people because we are. We are born with a very, very good human way of lifestyle, and that shows us how we can grow. But we are also shy. But let that shyness not have the other side look at you as your weakness, because that's going to be our downfall. So let's do what we are good at. My growth has not been just looking at the numbers and growing up in the system, but actually delivering the expectations of the customer. So I had to experience growth to grow. And let me share this great experience I had. Recently, I was awarded by the CEO of Baskin-Robbins International for the first innovator within the whole world for a new concept. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. And during the awarding ceremony, which was in Boston, I was called about on stage and they asked me to say a few words. And I took them back to the place I started from. And I said, this has been my launchpad from where I started, which is Goa. And most of them did not know, but during the lunch break and the tea break, I had to explain to them what has been my qualities of strength being a Goan. And they were very impressed. So this is some qualities I was jumped to offer of Mr. Karmo, who said, please come and speak. And I said, yes, this is the platform. We need to get together and understand, especially for the youth of Goa. We are great at everything, but we are shy at everything else also. So we should not let our youth feel that, Nakare Baba, Falyan Korea. No. What can be done today has to be completed today, because that's the task expected from you in this business world. So if you think of tomorrow, you've lost what you're supposed to do today. The third point I would touch on was something which is also very, very interesting to me, and I come from a customer service background. Customer service is always looking at good, not personality, guys, but the way you meet the expectations of the customer. I still remember back when I joined this company, we were already doing some business with the US Army here. And one of our drivers who was supposed to take up the product to the gate was unwell. I had to take a second call. And I told my management, this is a large consignment, it has to go. I will drive. And my general manager looked at me and said, Alvin, no. You need to go back and find another replacement immediately. And I said, no, there's no time for that replacement. I have a license, I can drive. I took the truck up right to the gate. And my people did not expect me to be there, my employees. And when they saw me, there was a tremendous change in the way they felt we were one team. That's how I got very close to everybody. I do exactly what my lower levels have to do. That is what we have to teach our youth today. Don't expect you to be just having a title and everybody else to do the job. Do what you can do right from the scratch, because that's your start. And I said it earlier, we need to experience growth while growing. So if you don't have that base, I think that's difficult to see any reason in any company for you as an individual to grow. Also very interesting in any career path is being proactive. Proactive to life and work. We as Goans are very good at dancing, singing, music, and having a good time. That's our lifestyle. And it's a very good lifestyle, I can tell you. I travel quite frequently, and I see many others from different parts of the world, also within India, are not as much blessed as we are because we just love life. Goa is just about inviting others. That's what has to be our strength when we work, especially our youth should understand. We have to be proactive to work and life. Our life is just demonstrated by the way who we are. You go across a street and you start talking to somebody, and when you say, the gentleman or the lady asks you from where you are, and you say, I'm from Goa, you automatically see the smile on the face. What does that tell us? It tells us how loved we are by everybody. So we need to take that quality, what we have, and demonstrate to the world we can outshine everybody else by being what we are good at. Finally, I would like to touch upon a little, I'm not going into, I believe I missed out yesterday, sorry, because I had some other commitments on the job. So I believe a lot of speakers did come up and raise great issues here. I will go back and try and meet them. But finally, I would also like to share at what I and the family personally do here. We also involved with a lot of culture. We enjoy showcasing culture. So wherever we are given an opportunity to dance a mando, kuradi, or a dekni. We'll make sure we do it. And when Karmo said, Aldrin, what about doing it today? And I said, yes, we will do it today. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you. A small message to you young friends of mine and to the parents to let your little ones know that there's great opportunity here in the world as long as you have that determination of loving life. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you very much, Mr. Aldrin Menezes. Now we are going to have a prize distribution ceremony for the students who have excelled in their educational career. I call upon Mr. Kamo Santos to be on the stage and Mr. Suresh Naik, and also Mr. S.K. Srivastava, Chief Secretary of Goa, Mr. Luisin Falero, former Chief Minister of Goa, and Mr. Ullas Kamath, Director NRIFS, to be on the stage. Mr. S.K. Srivastava will present the medals to Eleanor Evelyn Dias. Please come on the stage. From the Commerce School in Kuwait. The awards carry a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of KD50, sponsored by Gulf Mart and Goan Cultural Center. The students have excelled in their educational career. And now I call upon Karian Pinto of the Indian Community School, Kuwait. Karian Pinto. She gets a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of KD50. I call upon Sherlyn Patricia Rodriguez of the Indian Community School, Kuwait. She gets a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of KD50, sponsored by Gulf Mart and Goan Cultural Center. Now we have Dwayne John Almeida of Jabriya Indian School, Kuwait. He gets a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of KD 50. Now we have Roshbin Francis Fernandez of Gulf Indian School, Kuwait. He gets a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of KD 50 sponsored by Gulf Mart and Goan Cultural Center. Now we have Leroy Eustace Botello of the Indian Community School, Kuwait. And now we have Natasha Cressy Fernandez of the Gulf Indian School, Kuwait. She gets a medal, a certificate, and a cash prize of KD 50 sponsored by Gulf Mart and Goan Cultural Center. Thank you very much, all the dignitaries. It was nice of you all to give the award. Thank you very much. Now I call upon Mr. M.K. Sheikh to address this Global Goan Convention.
गोंयचे आदले मुखेलमंत्री आनी काँग्रेस वर्किंग कमिटीचे वांगडी पयले गोंयकार काँग्रेस वर्किंग कमिटीचे वांगडी जावपी मानादीक श्री लुईजिन फालेर गोंय राज्याचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी मानादीक श्री संजय श्रीवास्तवजी गोवा कल्चरल एसोसिएशनचे चेअरमॅन बोमानिस्त कार्मो सांतोस तशेंच अध्यक्ष बोमानिस्त बाब सुरेश नायक हांगा एकट्या आयिल्ल्या म्हज्या गोंयकार भावनो आनी भयणीनो हांव मुद्दाम कोंकणींतल्यान उलयतां कारण म्हाका दिसता की हें गोंयकारांचें कन्वेन्शन आनी गोंयकारांची मायभास ही कोंकणी जावन आसा आनी देखून आमी कोंकणी भाशेचो असल्या मळार उपयोग करपाक जाय. काल आनी आज हॉटेलांत उलयता आसतना म्हजे जायते गोंयकार भाव ज्या हॉटेलांत रावतात जे आफ्रिका मागीर कोण स्वित्झर्लंड कोण कतार आनी हेर वाठारांनी आयल्यात तेय म्हजे भशेनच म्हणटाले की आमकां जेन्ना असो गोंयकार मेळटा तेन्ना आमकां खुशालकाय जाता. बाब विवेक म्हणटालो की तो ज्या गांवांत रावता म्हणजे आफ्रिकेक थंय म्हाका कोंकणी उलोवपी कोण मेळना हांव घुस्मट्टां कारण म्हाका कोण तरी गोंयकार मेळ्ळो जाल्यार बरें दिसता आनी देखून हांव जेन्ना जेन्ना आपल्याक जेन्ना अशें आफोणें येता तेन्ना हांव फाटीं फुडें पळयना हांव सामको त्या कन्वेन्शनांत वांटेकार जावपाक येता. हाचें कारण म्हळ्यार म्हाका थंय गोंयकार मेळटले आनी म्हाका कोंकणींत उलोवपाक मेळटलें म्हणून हांव हाका येता. आनी देखून एक नीज गोंयकार म्हणून हांव तुमचे मुखार उबो आसां. ते म्हज्या मायभासेंत हांव तुमचे कडेन आज भासाभास करतलों. म्हजे विचार जे 2-3 मिनटां भितर हांवें तुमचे मुखार दवरपाचे आसात. म्हाका 3 मिनटां दिल्लीं आसा दिसता म्हाका तितले भितर हांव तितले भितर हांव उलोवपाचो प्रयत्न करतलों. पयले सुवातेर गोंय कल्चरल एसोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष चेअरमॅन आनी तांचे वांगड्यान हे गोवन ग्लोबल कन्व्हेन्शन घडोवन हाडले पासत हांव तांकां हुनहुनीत परबीं दितां. इतलो बरो इतली बरी वेवस्था तांणी केल्ली आसा. आमकां येवकार दिवपाक ते एअरपोर्टाचेर आयले आनी आमकां बरें दिसलें, कारण आमचे गोंयकार भाव जे कुवेट राष्ट्रांत रावतात, देशांत रावतात, ते हांगा बरे भशेन गोंयचे प्रतिनिधी जावन, कारण तुमी म्हाका दिसता गोंयचे एम्बेसडर्स, गोंयकारांचे प्रतिनिधी, तुमी आफ्रिकेक राव, ऑस्ट्रेलियाक राव किंवा तुमी गल्फ देशांनी राव, तुमी आमचे राजदूत जावन, आमचे एम्बेसडर जावन गोंयकारांय गोंयकारपण राखून दवरतात. तुमी जरी गोंयांत जरी नासले जाल्यार हें जाण जावन म्हाका खुशालकाय भोगली. आनी त्या खातीर हांव बाब कार्मो आनी तांचे जे सांगाती आसात तांणी ही जबाबदारी आपल्या खांद्यार घेतली. आनी म्हाका खबर आसा अशें कन्व्हेन्शन घडोवन हाडपाक तुमी जेन्ना हांगा काम करपाक आयल्यात, तुमी काम आसता तें काम करून आनी उरिल्ल्या वेळार ही सगळी तयारी करप, म्हाका खबर आसा कितलो तुमकां कितले त्रास जातले. तुमी 2-3 म्हयने पयलीं कामाक लागिल्ले आसतले. म्हाका उल्हास कामत तुमचे कडेन जेन्ना हें करतालो आनी एदवार्द बाब तेन्ना म्हाका कळटालें की हें खूब पयलीं काम सुरवात करचें पडटा. तेच भशेन म्हजे इश्ट आनीक आमचे NRI कमिशनर हांकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तांणी म्हाका ह्या कन्व्हेन्शनांत वांटेकार जावपाची एक संद दिली आनी तुमचे मुखार उबे रावन एक म्हजे 2 विचार व्यक्त करपाची संद दिली. तुमी जाणात की गोंय 450 वर्सां पोर्तुगेजांच्या गुलामगिरींत आशिल्लें आनी तेन्ना शिक्षणीक मळार व्हडलीशी उदरगत जावंक नाशिल्ली. शिक्षणाची दारां सगळ्या मेरेन पावंक नाशिल्लीं, वो शिक्षणाची दारां सगळ्यांक उक्ती नाशिल्लीं. थोडेच लोक शिक्षण घेताले आनी हेरांक संद नाशिल्ल्यान वो तांची आर्थीक परिस्थिती बरी नाशिल्ल्यान तांकां उंचेलें शिक्षण घेवपाची वो म्हाका दिसता एक इश्कोलांत बसून वचपाची तांकां संद मेळनाशिल्ली. पूण जेन्ना 1961 वर्सा गोंय पुर्तुगेजांच्या गुलामगिरींतल्यान मुक्त जालें, आमकां स्वातंत्र्य मेळ्ळें, तेन्ना शिक्षणाची दारां गरीबांतल्या गरीब मनशाक उक्ती जालीं. आनी म्हाका दिसता देखून आमचे सारकेले भुरगे आनी तुमी सगळे जितले जे म्हणजे 61 उपरांत जे जल्मल्यात तांकांय म्हाका दिसता बरें शिक्षण घेवपाची संद मेळ्ळी. आनीक हो आमकां ह्या स्वातंत्र्याचो आमकां फायदो जालो. हांव म्हजे विचार व्यक्त करता आसतना प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी आनी हायर सेकंडरी इतलो पुरतोच विचार करतलो, कारण म्हजो दुसरो इश्ट जो आसा तो म्हजे परस जाय तो जाणटो, जाणटो म्हळ्यार जो जाणा तो जाणटो, जो नेणा तो नेणटो, सो तसो तो जाणटो. आमच्या कोंकणींत एक म्हण आसा, जाणटो आनी नेणटो म्हणटात. जो नेणार तो नेणटो, जो जाणा तो जाणटो, तसो तो जाणटो. आनी देखून बाब प्रोफेसर कामत तुमचे मुखार कॉलेज, युनिवर्सिटी, प्रोफेशनल कॉलेजीस ही ह्यो ज्यो सुविधा आसा ताजेर तो आमचो जाणकार उलयतलो. हांव म्हजें उलोवप प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी, हायर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेरच हांव मर्यादीत दवरतलो, कारण हांव एक शिक्षक प्रिंसिपल आशिल्लो हायर सेकंडरीचो. ताज्या वयर म्हाका शिकोवपाची संद मेळ्ळी ना, म्हणून प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी, हायर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेच हांव उलयतलो. आतां गोंयच्या सुटके उपरांत म्हणजे 1961 ते 1987 हांव 61 आनी 87 तुमकां खबर आसा 87 मेरेन गोंय एक केंद्र शासीत प्रदेश आशिल्लो, युनियन टेरिटरी. आमकां व्हडलेशें पावर नाशिल्ले, सरकार आशिल्लें, पण कितें करतलो जाल्यार पासून दिल्लीक विचारचें पडटालें. म्हणून हांव म्हणटा 1961 ते 1987 मेरेन गोंयांत शिक्षणाचो प्रसार जो जालो, गोंयांत जी शिक्षणाची संद लोकांक उपलब्ध जाली ती चड करून प्रायमरी आनी सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर. गोंयांत पयले ते चवथी मेरेन आमी प्रायमरी म्हणटात, 5वी ते 10वी मेरेन आमी सेकंडरी म्हणटात, आनी 11वी आनी 12वी हाका हायर सेकंडरी म्हणटात. ताका वेगवेगळी नांवां वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी आसात, पूण गोंयांत अशें हें आसा. आतां गोंयच्या सुटके उपरांत गोंयचे पयले आमचे मुखेलमंत्री बाब दयानंद बांदोडकर हाका आमी क्रेडीट दिवंकूच जाय. ताका एक विजन आशिल्लें गोंयचें, आनी देखून ताणें गोंयच्या खांची खोंच्यांनी प्राथमीक शाळा उगडल्यो, सेकंडरी स्कूल्स उगडल्यो. हाचें कारण कितें? हाचें कारण म्हळ्यार ताचो एक उद्देश आशिल्लो की समाजांतल्या गरीबांतल्या गरीब मनशाच्या भुरग्याक ताच्या गांवांतच प्राथमीक आनी सेकंडरी शिक्षण घेवपाची संद उपलब्ध जावपाक जाय. आनी देखून ताणें आपल्या वेळार ती एक जी सुरवात केली ती 1987 मेरेन तशीच उरली. आमच्यानी अशें म्हणूं येता की 61 ते 87 मेरेन आमी शिक्षणाचो गांवच्या म्हणजे गोंयच्या खांची खोंच्यांनी आमी प्रसार केलो. यू कॅन कॉल इट मास एज्युकेशन. आतां 1987 म्हणजे 87 वर्सां आमकां घटक राज्य मेळ्ळें, आमकां स्टेटहूड मेळ्ळी, आमी स्वतंत्र जाले आमचे निर्णय घेवपाक. आनीक 87 ते आयज मेरेन 2010 मेरेन आमी पयलीं प्रसार जाल्लो, शिक्षण सगळ्याक पाविल्लें, पूण मागीर आमकां दिसलें की मास एज्युकेशनच करून फायदो ना. आमी देर शूड बी क्वॉलिटेटीव इम्प्रुवमेंट इन एज्युकेशन. आनी 87 ते 2010 मेरेन जे सरकारां हांगा आयलीं त्या सरकारांनी क्वॉलिटीचेर स्ट्रेस करपाक चड जोर दिवपाक सुरवात केली. आनीक ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता की गोंयांत आज क्वॉलिटी इम्प्रुवमेंट जाल्लें आसा. आनीक क्वॉलिटी इम्प्रुवमेंट म्हळ्यार कितें तें पळोवपाक जाय की एक टीचर पीपल रेशियो आसता. एका टिचरान कितले भुरग्यांक शिकोवचें हाचो एक रेशियो आसा. तो गोंयांत सद्या प्रायमरी लेवलाचेर 27 आसा, सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर 18 आसा, आनी हायर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर तो 21 आसा. हो रेशियो जो आसा बरोच कमी जाल्ल्यान क्वॉलिटी इम्प्रुवमेंटाक बऱ्याक पडटा. क्वॉलिटी इम्प्रुवमेंट जाता आनी तें इट इज इंडिकेटीव ऑफ क्वॉलिटी एज्युकेशन. ताजे उपरांत आमी पळयलां की हाकाच चड फुडें व्हरपा खातीर आमच्या सरकारान आनीक जायते स्टेप्स घेतले. ते स्टेप्स म्हळ्यार करिकुलम रिफॉर्म्स. जे कितें आमी शिकतात करिकुलम जो आसता तो 1961 आमी इंट्रोड्यूस केल्लो, तो तसोच उरलो. जग बदल्लें, देश बदल्लो, आमी थंयच आशिल्ले, पूण आमी करिकुलम चेंज केलो. एग्जामिनेशन रिफॉर्म्स, एग्जाम घेवपाची पद्दत आमी चेंज केली. टिचरांक बरी ट्रेनिंग जाय आशिल्ली. टिचर एकदां जो BA जाता आनी टिचर जाता ताजे उपरांत तो आनी शिकपाक वचना. तो म्हणटा आपूण फक्त शिकोवपाचें, पूण ती आमची चूक. पूण टिचरांक रिओरिएंटेशन करप, तांकां आयज जे कितें बदल घडत आयल्यात मॅथोडॉलॉजी म्हणात आनी कंटेंट्स तेंय टिचराक खबर आसपाक जाय. नाजाल्यार तो पयलीं बसून तेंच उलयता. आज अशे शिक्षक आसात, टिचर आसात जे अजुनूय म्हणटात चिरापुंजी गेट्स द हायेस्ट रेनफॉल इन इंडिया. जे रॉंग आज, जे रॉंग. चिरापुंजी नो मोर रिसिव्ह द मॅक्झिमम रेनफॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. पूण एक फावट आमी शिकतना आमकां सांगिल्लें, हांव शिकता आसतना म्हाका सांगिल्लें तेंच हांव भुरग्याक शिकयतां. तशें जावपाक जायना. आज जे बदल घडत जे वतात तेय शिक्षकाक खबर आसपाक जाय. जग खंय पावलां, जग बदलता. इट इज चेंजींग वर्ल्ड, चेंजींग व्हेरी फास्ट. And therefore teachers should know what changes are taking place in the contents and the methodology of the teaching. ताजे उपरांत आमी फिजिकल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रूव करपाक जी इस्कॉलां आसात, गोंयांत चडशीं एडेड स्कूल्स आसात आनी गव्हर्मेंट आसा, पूण एडेड स्कुलांक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रुवमेंट करपाक आमी फंड्स दिले. वी ट्राय टू यूज IT फॉर एज्युकेशनल एडवान्समेंट आनी ताजे उपरांत असो एक वेळ आयलो पयलींच्या सरकारान बाब लुईजीन फालेर हांगा आसात ते आसा म्हणून न्ही ना जाल्यारय हांव सांगतलो आशिल्लो आनी त्या खातीर म्हजो पेपर जेन्ना हांवें तयार केल्लो तेन्ना लुईजीन बाब हांगा येतले म्हण म्हाका खबर नाशिल्ली. ज्या दिसा हांव हांगा येवपाक भायर सरलो 15 तारखेक त्याच दिसा म्हाका लुईजीन बाबान सांगलें, हांवें ताका सांगलें हांव कुवेट वतां. तो म्हणपाक तूं कुवेट वता, हांवूय कुवेट वतां. हांव म्हणें हांव वतां कॉन्फरन्साक, तूं कित्याक वता? तो म्हणून आपुणूय ग्लोबल गोवन्स हाज्या कन्वेन्शनाक वता. बरें दिसलें. तो दुसरे दिसा आयलो, हांव आदले दिसा आयलो. म्हणटकीर हें जें हांवें तयार केल्लें तें तो आसो म्हणून सांगना. तो शिक्षण मंत्री जालो फाटल्या टर्मात. तो शिक्षण मंत्री जातकच गोंयांत शिक्षणीक मळार एक वादळ कशें आयलें, स्टॉर्म. ताणें आपल्या विचारान आपले पद्दतीन एक अशी येवजण तयार केली. इतलेंच न्हय तर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो ज्यो स्कीम आसात लायक SSA म्हळ्यार सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, एक सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम ही कोट्यांनी रुपया गोंयच्या सरकाराक मेळटात म्हणटा तो उपयोग करपाक कळपाक जाय. ताणें हे सर्व शिक्षा अभियानच्या स्किमीचो बरो उपयोग केलो. इतलें सायबर एज एक स्कीम आसा गोंयांत जी आनी खंयच ना, ती स्कीम ताणें राबयली. वेरीन वी गिव फ्री कंप्युटर्स टू द स्टुडंट्स ऑफ 11th क्लास, फ्री विथ द प्रिंटर. तोय प्रिंटर लुईजीन बाब येतकच आमी दिवपाचें थारायलें. इतलेंच न्हय तर ज्यो चलयो आसात गर्ल स्टुडंट्स तांची उर्बा वाडोवपाक कितें आसा, चलयो थोड्यो फुडें वतात मागीर तांकां लज दिसता आनी कितें जाता तांकां घरान दवरतात. म्हणटकच तो ड्रॉप आवट रेट जी चलयांची आसा ती कमी जावची म्हणून ताणें म्हाका खबर आसा तो शिक्षण मंत्री आसतना 8वे यत्तेच्या सगळ्या चलयांक ताणें सायकल्यो फुकट दिल्यो. तुमी आयकून तरी जाणा आसतले. सगळे चलयांक सायकल्यो घरा कडल्यान इस्कॉलाक वचपाक, इस्कॉलांतल्यान परत वचपाक सायकल्यो दिल्यो बऱ्यो ब्रँडेड सारक्यो. आनी ताजो म्हणजे तांकां म्हणजे इट वॉज एन एनकरेजमेंट फॉर द गर्ल स्टुडंट्स टू बी रिटेन इन द स्कूल. हें केलें. मागीर मिड डे मिल्स भुरग्यांक आतां 8वे मेरेनच्या भुरग्यांक आज मिड डे मिल्स मेळटा. इट इज सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम, पण ताचें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन बरें जायनाशिल्लें. तें लुईजीन बाबान तें केलें. आनी ताजे उपरांत आज तुमकां सांगता जे इकॉनॉमिकली बॅकवर्ड क्लासीस आसात, चड करून STची जी भुरगीं आसात तांकां घरा कडल्यान इस्कॉलां वचपाक आनी परत येवपाक आज फ्री ट्रान्सपोर्ट आज आमचो सरकार दिता. तांणी बसीस तांकां दवरल्या स्पेशली फॉर दॅम. तातूंत मागीर दुसरे भुरगे बसून येतात, तातूंत वायटपण कांय ना. बट दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंट फॉर ST स्टुडंट्स. एंड आय हॅव लर्न that Goa government may extend this facility to other students also in the years to come. म्हणजे भुरग्यांक फाल्यां घरा कडल्यान हांगा हाडपाक तुमच्या मोटारीची गरज ना. इस्कॉलाची गाडी येतली, बस येता, तांकां घेता, इस्कॉला पावयता आनी परत तांकां घरा कडेन पावयता. ही एक बरी स्कीम जी गोंयांत जाल्ली आसा. इतलेंच न्हय तर हांवें आतां टिचरांचें म्हणिल्लें. आज जग बदलता तेन्ना टिचरांकय कितें तरी दिवचें म्हणून आमच्या सरकारान टिचरांक लॅपटॉप्स दिल्ले आसात. तुमकां म्हाका खबर आहा ह्या जगांत ते लॅपटॉप पयलीं आयिल्ले, पूण आमच्या जगांत त्या काळांत म्हणजे ते लॅपटॉप म्हळ्यार समथींग न्यू. यू सी. सो ते आज टिचरांक लॅपटॉप मेळिल्लो आसा वीच इज यूज एन एज्युकेशनल एड. इट हेल्प्स देम इन देर टिचींग. आनी अशे तरेन म्हाका दिसता आज गोंय शिक्षणीक मळार फुडें पाविल्लें आसा. आमचो जो सिलेबस पयलीं आमी महाराष्ट्रा बोर्डाचो सिलेबस आमी हें करताले, आतां आमी NCERT सिलेबस इंट्रोड्यूस केल्लो आसा. इतलेंच न्हय जाल्यार NCERTच्या सिलेबसाचेर आधारीत आमी आमची पुस्तकां छापून घेतिल्लीं आसा. आनी तो वावर म्हाका दिसता बाब लुईजीन फालरान केल्लो. तो आसतना गोंया खातीर जी पुस्तकां आसा बरी क्वॉलिटी बुक्स विथ गूड पेपर, विथ गूड कलर्ड पिक्चर्स, ही बुकां आमी गोंयच्या सरकारान छापून घेतली. पूण सिलेबस तांची जी पुस्तकां आसा ताचो पेपर बरो आसना. इट वॉज नॉट द बुक्स वर नॉट अट्रॅक्टिव्ह. यू सी. सो स्टुडंट्स वर नॉट टेकिंग इंट्रस्ट इन रिडींग दोज बुक्स. बट नाव द बुक्स आर व्हेरी अट्रॅक्टिव्ह. हें NCERT सिलेबस हाडिल्ल्यान आमचो जो पावंडो आसा तो मातसो वयर गेल्लो आसा. आनी अशे तरेन गोंयांत शिक्षणीक मळार प्रायमरी सेकंडरी आनी हायर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर म्हाका दिसता बरी उदरगत जाल्ली आसा, बरो वावर जाल्लो आसा, ताजो स्टँडर्डूय बरो वाडिल्लो आसा, ताजी क्वॉलिटी बरी वाडिल्ली आसा. आज म्हणजे 1961 2010 म्हणजे आता 50 वर्सां जायल्ली आसा. आमची गोल्डन जुबली आतां जावपाची आसा. ताजो तुमी नियाळ घेतलो जाय जाल्यार तुमकां काल आमचो ब्रुनो काल कंपेरेटिव्ह आमकां हांगा स्टेटमेंट करून दाखयतालो पंचायती राज आनी तागेले कितें कम्युन्स आनी कितें सांगतालो. तसोच जर आमी हांगा कंपेरेटिव्ह जर स्टडी केली जाय जाल्यार 1961 वर्सा जेन्ना गोंय स्वतंत्र जालें तेन्ना गोंयांत फक्त 335 प्रायमरी इस्कॉलां आशिल्लीं आनी तातूंत 44,163 भुरगीं शिकतालीं. पूण आज होच आंकडो 817 जाल्लो आसा आनी 1,27,022 भुरगीं आज प्रायमरी लेवलाचेर शिकतात. पळयात कितली चड भुरग्यांचो आज आस्पाव जाल्लो आसा. नाल्यार हीं भुरगीं भायर उरतलीं आशिल्लीं, अशिक्षीत उरतलीं आशिल्लीं. आज सगळीं भुरगीं म्हणजे आज जवळ जवळ 100% एनरोलमेंट जाता गोंयांत. आनी ताका लागून आज सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर 1961 फक्त 119 इस्कॉलां आशिल्लीं आनी थंय 21,282 भुरगे शिकताले. पूण आज तुमी जर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर पळयली जायत जाल्यार आज 817 सेकंडरी स्कूल्स आसात आनी जातूंत 1,27,022 भुरगीं आज सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर शिकतात. प्रायमरी लेवलाचेर 1,253 इस्कॉलां आसात आनी 98,651 भुरगीं शिकतात. आय जस्ट मेड ए मिस्टेक. आनी हायर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर तेन्ना फक्त 14 इस्कॉलां आशिल्लीं आनी 1,781 भुरगीं शिकतालीं. पूण आज जर तुमी पळयलें जायत जाल्यार 82 हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल्स आसात जातूंत 26,914 भुरगीं शिकतात. आनी जी लिटरसी रेट जी लिटरसी 1961 31% आशिल्ली, 31% ऑफ द पीपल वर लिटरेट. पूण आज आमच्या ह्या वावराक लागून सरकाराच्या वावराक लागून आनी गोंयकारांनी उमेद दाखयली ताजो फायदो घेतलो म्हणून आज आमची लिटरसी रेट 82% जाल्ली आसा. एज पर द 2001 सेन्सस. आतां 2011 जो सेन्सस जावपाचो आसा कंप्लीट जावपाचो आसा म्हाका दिसता आमी नियरली 100% लिटरसी जातली. जर कितें कमी जालें जायत इट हॅपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्लोटींग पॉप्युलेशन, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ गोवन्स. हो एक ल्हानसो एक प्रयत्न आशिल्लो तुमचे मुखार दवरपाक की गोंयांत स्वातंत्र्य उपरांत हेर मळार जशी उदरगत केल्ली आसा तशीच शिक्षणीक मळारी बरी उदरगत केल्ली आसा. बट वी कॅनॉट एफोर्ड टू बी कॉम्प्लेसंट. आमी इतलेंच हेंच सगळें म्हणून मानूंक उपकारचें ना. तुमकांय खबर आसा ह्या राज्यांत ह्या वाठारांत आनी शिक्षणीक मळार जायतो वावर जावन खूब फुडें पाविल्ले आसा. तेन्ना आमी हातूंतल्यान शिकून म्हाका दिसता आनी जे कितें बदल आमचे भितर जे कितें कमी आसा ते भरून काडून आनीकय फुडें वचपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. सगळ्यांच्या सहकार्यान म्हाका दिसता हें शक्य आसा. सरकार, ताचे पालक, टिचर आनी जे एज्युकेशनल वर्कर्स आसा आमचे सारकेले आनी सगळ्यांनी मेळून जर वावर केलो जायत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोंय हें शिक्षणीक मळार सबंद भारतांत नंबर 1 राज्य जावपाक वेळ लागचो ना. देव बरें करूं. सांग ब्रुनो सांग.
I just want to ask you the question, as you have said, the high secondary students finishes and they go to the college. What did the government of Goa, is there any course of orientation to the children? Because whether they will be future advocates or doctors or engineers or laborers or whatever it is, what is there for the government
I'll tell you.
to orient?
Yeah.
What schools, professional
I got your
schools
point.
do they have? Because why I say this is because in Europe, it is in Switzerland I'm talking about, is once the students are selected at the age of 10, they have a public exam and on that basis they are oriented in what they will be in the future. What I mean to say is, if they have very good marks, they are sent to the science orientation. If they have a middle class, they are oriented in business, commercial. And if they are really not so good, they are oriented to painters or mechanics or all the jobs are equally what you call as labeled. It's no different whether you're a doctor or engineer or whatever it is. But the thing is, there is a orientation in Switzerland. Once the students finish this, there is a what you call as a special psychological school where they go and the teachers and the psychologists they sit and then they go and they talk to them and then they are oriented. Oh, this is good for you. This is good. Whether this is good to apply in Goa, that I don't know.
Okay, I got your point. Such a system does not exist in Goa, I'm sorry to say. But because, as you said, counseling is done at the age of 10. Such a system does not exist, I think, not only in Goa, but anywhere in any part of India. But if it is good, it can be done. You can put up your matter with the Chief Secretary, who is the head of Goan administration. If it is good, in consultation with the educationist, he can also introduce this system. Such a system is not there. But after passing 12, you see, there is what is called GCET. There is Goa, what is called Common Entrance Exam, on the basis of which, you see, admissions are given to medical, engineering, and other professional colleges. That is after passing 12, not before that. परतून एक फावट तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं. सांग.
My name is John Dissa. I'm from Kortalim, Goa, but I've come for the convention from Doha, Qatar. Sir,
सांग.
you mentioned some 800. Actually, post this scholar Hyman Sangla. A couple of times I read in the newspapers, Goa newspapers, that these schools are not facilitated with toilets. Forget separate toilets for girls and boys, but it's very important that every school, whether it's primary or secondary, should have a toilet or two or couple, and also a playground, because that's the children grow and they need to play. Some schools have no playground. So I think the government of Goa should work on this. Secondly, you said that as of today there are 1 lakh primary students. Mark this, when these primary students say all are in the 5th today, after 5 years, 7 years, they will be in the 12th. Or 12 years later, they have to get jobs. So government of Goa should work strategy, like how Bruno said, categorize and try to create that many jobs. And that should be the vision of employment of the youth and Goans.
Okay, as far as the first question is concerned, of course, there are two types of schools in Goa, government and government aided. There may be some problems in some schools. You cannot just generalize and say that there are no toilets, you see, in the schools. Maybe, but under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, you see, we are spending money for repairs of the toilets or primary schools, wherever it is brought to the notice of the government. Care is taken to see that they are provided toilet. There is a minimum requirement in any school, you see, under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. As far as the second question, it is not a question, it is a suggestion of yours that there should be, jobs should be created. I think Chief Secretary will take care of that. Thank you.
Chodan Chodibar Group, Mr. Sheikh. Now I call upon Professor M.S. Kamath to address this Global Governance Convention.
Bomanadik, Luizil Bab Faler, Bomanist, Srivastav Bab, Bomanist Ulas Bab, Mughal Karbun Bab, Mughal Suresh Bab, आणि हांगा एकठांय जाल्ले म्हजे गोंयचे आनी गोंया भायर रावणारे भावांनो आनी भयणांनो, तुमच्या मुखार उबो रावन म्हजें प्रेजेंटेशन करपाक म्हाका खूब खूब खोस भोगता. म्हजो इश्ट बाब शेखान जें प्रेजेंटेशन केलें तें फुडें व्हरपा खातीर हांव हांगा उबो आसा. ताणें वता वता म्हणलें की गोंय विकासाच्या मार्गार नेटान पावलां मारीत आसतात. प्राथमीक माध्यमीक आणि उच्च माध्यमीक शिक्षणाच्या मळार गोंयान खूब प्रगती केल्या आणि अशीच जर आमी प्रगती करीत रावत जाल्यार गोवा विल बी सुनर दॅन लेटर नंबर 1 स्टेट इन इंडिया. म्हाका थोडेशे अमेंडमेंट करून सांगून दिसता की कांय वर्सां फाटल्यान भारत सरकारान सर्टिफिकेट दिल्लें आसा की काही विशिष्ट मळाचेर गोवा इज ऑलरेडी नंबर 1 स्टेट इन इंडिया. आनी एक कोणें म्हणलां द हायेस्ट प्लॅनिंग बॉडी ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया, द प्लॅनिंग कमिशन, द फिस्कल कमिशन and the population commission have all three in one voice said that Goa, in respect of infrastructure development, in respect of investment opportunities, Goa is number 1 state in the country. And this has been endorsed by a very prestigious magazine being published from Delhi, India Today, which very recently said that Goa is among the small states, the number 1 state, and our Chief Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamath, was invited by Goa Today to receive the award for being the representative, the chief of the number 1 state of India. All this is not to say that there are no gray areas in our development. And this is also not to say that we have already reached the summit and then we are living in heaven. What I am saying is that Goa is very firmly and surely on the path of securing the best possible development. Difficulties are there, some shortcomings are there. There is always room for improvement. And the people of Goa, the government of Goa, and the Goan expatriates, the people of goodwill like you, will definitely strive to take Goa to even greater heights. And that will happen sooner than later. With this, I should tell you that from the time of liberation of Goa until the time of attainment of statehood, as Mr. Sheikh said, Goa laid a very strong foundation of educational development at the primary, secondary, and the higher secondary level. We attained statehood in 1987, and since then, the focus has been on the consolidation and improvement of the primary, secondary, and higher secondary education, and expansion and quality improvement of higher education and technical education. You will note that from the time of liberation until 61 to 85, the colleges in Goa were affiliated to the Bombay University. The Goa University, at the instance of the then government of Goa, was set up in 1985 by an act of Goa State Legislature. And the colleges in Goa, which were earlier affiliated to the University of Bombay, were delinked from Bombay and affiliated to Goa University in 1986. Since then, Goa has become the architect of its own educational fortune. Goa University has made rapid strides since its establishment, and today it is ranked as one of the foremost universities in the country. There is no doubt about it. It has been constantly struggling to reinvent itself, to reform itself, to improve itself, and to be one of the foremost universities in the country. We have also made very rapid advance in respect of The